11?
Yeah. They come and think carry, but you know.
Yeah. Sometimes they don't come. Yeah. Alright. Appreciate it. Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a long day for you guys. We got a lot of service calls today, so we're gonna try and knock them out as fast as we can. We got PMs, we got repairs, we got cylinder repair, we got food like always. Oh, these are air filters. We're waiting for some hydraulic seals.
Is that what he said was coming in later today?
What?
Package?
Yeah, there's a starter that's coming in today. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we got a water pump. Oh, I forgot about this. That's another job we gotta do. I don't know if we're doing it today or tomorrow. And this is a seal kit we're doing today for a Toyota. That's about it. So stay tuned, follow along. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you in a little bit. Just some shop towels. I ran out of towels, or to like the clothing company that they clean it. I forgot to pick it up last week, so I'm out of towels. I feel like I needed something else. But it's always worked for me. I just loosen the line underneath it, and then sometimes it works if I just put some pressure on it.
Yeah.
The thing is, you don't want to break the seal, damage the seal, so you go slowly. If it doesn't work, you gotta give it a little left taps. So you just give it some left taps, and then it'll go down. That's pretty good.
Ayer fijo ahí.
Él solo entre él, sí. Él no sale de ahí. I guess it broke. Bro, this thing, you know how expensive this is? It's like 70 bucks.
No way.
See? La próxima sea agosto 1 del 25. This is a snap-on transfer pump.
Yeah.
So you can transfer oil, water, anything. So I'm just gonna transfer oil from here to there so I don't have to dump it and make a mess.
Like before?
Yeah. Hey. Alright, so this is basically what's going on. You put this cable back on and you'll hear the pump just stay on. So something must be, a positive negative cable must be, or the lift contactor, which is on this side, sometimes gets stuck, welded. This is your lift motor. So once you put that battery cable back on, and then you hit the lift button, which is here, up and down, it activates your lift pump. That goes to your contactor. So maybe this contactor is for some reason getting 24 volts all the time, or inside the coil is just welded. I'll just disconnect here, put that battery cable back on, see if it still wants to power on. If it doesn't, I'll put this back on, put it here, and see if it actually is. You can hear the coil activating or not. So this positive cable here, going to your contactor.
Yep.
All right, if you follow this, goes all the way back to your battery. Sorry, I lied. Your positive cable goes down to your motor. This one here comes from your battery. So battery power comes to here. Then this sends a signal. That's what activates your coil, and then this cable transfers current back to here. All right, so we got the contactor disconnected, power to the pump. So we're gonna plug in the battery and see if it wants to do the same thing. So that's a good sign. Now let's check to see if there's any power getting to the contactor. So we got 25 volts coming from the battery. I mean, nothing's activating the coil. If I do this, you hear that? There's the contactor turning on. See, I got 22 volts there. That means that's good. So this should be working. So the contactor is working good. I don't think that's the issue. See, right now it's not doing it.
Yeah.
It was doing it before.
Yeah.
Unless the contactor was working now.
Crazy.
It did? You got that on video? I'm just trying to see if the contactor gets stuck again. I don't know, let us know in the comments what you think. Is the contactor getting stuck? Is it something else? Not much I can do here, honestly. We confirmed the problem. My 2 cents is that the contactor was stuck. So I think taking the power off of the contactor might have gotten to unstuck, and then it's probably gonna happen again. So I'm gonna order a new contactor, replace it just for insurance purposes, and then go from there. Or just wait till it happens again. I'll tell them if it happens again, let me know, and I'll order contactor.
Hey!
Hydrate or dihydrate. We're gonna go look at a dozer for a subcontractor of mine. Or I guess he subcontracts me to go look at equipment for him that he buys and sells. So I don't really know much about dozers, to be honest. But I'm gonna check it out, see if we see any leaks, see if it turns on, runs good, check the oil, see when the last time it was serviced, check the track. That's about it. I've actually never even ran one in my life. So we're about to learn together. That's some old equipment right there. I got a lot of Toyotas here. See that, Taylor?
Yeah.
I got a lot of heavy equipment here. He was mentioning that they have in-house mechanics that work on their forklifts and stuff. I wonder if they also work on these. These look like Volvo loaders. That says Alta equipment. Looks like that's a rented one. There's a John Deere over there. I'd love to work on heavy equipment, but I don't have any experience, first of all. Second of all, I don't have a crane on my truck, so what if it's like something crazy like track work or a big ass cylinder that I can't take out myself? Good thing is they have other equipment. This is the one that apparently he wants to buy.
That dipstick for blow-by.
Uh-huh.
Blow-by is what that is.
Yeah. Are you interested in learning what blow-by is?
I don't give a shit.
We'll tell the viewers what blow-by is real quick. So blow-by is when compression passes through the rings on the pistons. Excessive blow-by is not good. Actually, It could be because of a lot of crankcase pressure too. Did you ask him why he's selling this? Oh, I see some milkiness. That could be condensation though. Could be two things. There's a lot of, this has been sitting for a while and it's built up condensation, or possible head gasket issue. These filters look older than my grandma. Looks like condensation to me.
Yeah.
We'll try to start it, see if it drives straight. First time I ever sat on one of these. Look at that.
Yeah.
See how there's, see that? It's called blow by. Some blow by is good, it's normal. It's not a ton, okay? Pretty normal. Excessive blow by, you'd have compression passing through the rings on your pistons, coming out through here, and it would be blowing this off. Hell, can someone in the comment section let me know where the model and serial number of this thing is? Found it. The tracks for sure need to be, at least on both sides, it's super rusted.
Yeah.
Probably needs new pads.
Is that plexi or real glass?
I don't know. I have no idea. Probably looks like real glass. It looks like it got hit from the front. As you can see there, maybe it hit the radiator. It had no coolant on the top of the reservoir. Had no coolant. The oil looks like it's milky. I don't know, it's from sitting too long.
Probably sitting for a while, yeah.
It's probably condensation, but it probably has no coolant. I'm waiting to see if it overheats. It doesn't drive straight either. I have to keep the handle kind of, you know, keeping it straight. I'm not sure. I haven't driven of these very much to know if that's how it's supposed to be. It does drive straight if you keep the handle in a straight position, but once you put it in gear, it should go straight and then it should go back until you turn it. All right, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for following along. If you haven't seen the truck tour yet, go watch it somewhere here in the description below. Like I always say, God bless. Thank you for following along. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave it in the comment section, subscribe, and work on your trucks. Look at this. This is how I was rolling earlier the other day. Look at this.
Those are crazy.
So make sure you service your trucks on time and don't be like me.